Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. So the forecasted reaction to the resistance area that I showed you yesterday is playing out, and we have seen a reaction to the resistance area, and this was the area between 71 cents and 80 cents. The idea was that a B wave could of course overshoot. I mean, B waves can do that, but in an ideal world the B wave would react to the resistance area, and then we would see a C wave to the downside. That C wave might indeed have started. However, at the moment, as you can clearly see here, we haven't got a clear breakdown. So it's been holding the trend line, and we only had a wick below this trend line. But however, if we get another sustained break, and especially a break below today's low at 64.5 cents, then I think this C wave is getting full momentum. Let's talk about the different options here. So obviously we are here in a situation in which the idea was that this here is a fourth wave. Okay, so the support area ideally holds, and ideally the price forms one more high, maybe two more highs, and the support area is between 44.2 cents and 63.8 cents. And the next support level, if we make a new low, or the next support level is around 52.50 cents, 51, 52. There's a bit of confluence of Fibonacci support. But however, as long as the entire box holds, that's really the key support area. Further continuation to the upside can be expected, and it's reasonable to expect further upside in wave 5 in yellow to 93 cents, maybe even a little higher. So we also have 97, $1.06, $1.16 as next targets. Yeah, so we have a potentially bullish structure here. Overall, from previous videos, you might remember it. We've got two wave counts in a more bullish way. We've got for the more bullish scenario, we've got the white count, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 still unfolding in white, then wave 4 and wave 5, whereas in the yellow count, this is just an ABC structure, and there should be completion here after just one more high. But in both scenarios, it appears likely that there will be one more high. It would look better with one more high. Would have to change my view at 44.2 cents. As always with any analysis, there's always a level where I would have to change my opinion, or better, where the actual trend is likely going to change, because my opinion doesn't matter so much. What really matters is where the price changes trend, and these pivot points are really important. And it's important to know where they are, and that's here at 44.2 cents. So very simple against that level. The focus is on higher. Below 44 cents, this chart gets very, very uncertain. Yeah, and then we said that probably here we formed at some point a third wave topped, and the fourth wave has started. Now again, it could be that this low here on the 8th of January, that this is all of wave 4, and then we're already in wave 5, but it would look a bit strange, and it would, with the 3-wave top that we've seen here at what was the price? Yeah, here 80.7 cents. It just would look better if we get another low, yeah, because this is not impulsive to the upside. It would be a bit of a mess. ABC in B, that looks good. I mean, it is an ABC structure as it seems. And the C wave down could now reach the area around 52.50 cents, yeah, 51, 52. So that would be ideal. Okay. Why is that ideal? We measured it yesterday. Or I might actually need to shift that. Let me take that out, because I think it made another slightly higher high. So I might have done that after my last video. It's just to find, obviously there are different ways of calculating targets. Yeah, and the orange box is more like just a support area. As long as we're holding it, the focus can be on higher. But then we can look at these subdivisions, and we have an A wave and a B wave, and we can use that information to calculate a target for wave C. And yeah, it shifted a little bit. What we should focus on typically is sort of the 100% extension level. That's really important, because oftentimes a C wave reacts to that level. So yeah, apologies, had to change it. It's 54.4 cents. It's just, it's not like, okay, it has to get there. but it is the next likely level where the price could find support if there's a break below this small A wave low. Yeah? So that's what I'm watching to further confirm that this C wave is really unfolding towards 54.4, maybe 52 cents. We need to see a break below that trend line, however. And yep, it moved already below it, but a more sustained break. And the break below today's low. Until then, we've got a series of higher highs and higher lows. So yes, it's retraced a lot, which is why I think it should break, but it's not done it yet. And that's just the next support that needs to break. But for now, I have no reason to assume that something different is going on. So preferred is, yes, trend continuation higher, but possibly only after a deeper pullback in wave 4. And yeah, one more high is expected in wave 5 until this orange support area breaks. And as long as it's holding, we assume that it's holding, and we assume that we will see another high. So overall, still a bullish outlook. The price still has plenty of space in the orange support area. I mean, if I measure from where the price is now, there could still be a move down of around about 30% without making the current scenario very unlikely, because below 44 cents, this current uptrend is likely over, and I cannot justify this wave count anymore with one more high. Yeah, that's my update about SEI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. You can find the links in the description. There's additional content there every single day about trading, technical analysis, Elliott wave, some tips, mindset stuff, and so on. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.